So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see a product which is very useful for your bike to clean the carbon inside your bike. So this is the product, Yamaha's PEA carbon cleaner. I have brought it for rupees 168 or 63 I think. So 163 rupees. So I have bought on Amazon for 2 months before. So I will use the product and tell you how to use. Let me show you the bike. So we have the Facer version 2 model. So this is the PEA carbon cleaner which we are using right now. So this PEA carbon cleaner is used to clean the all the carbon inside your engine. So from the head to the silencer, I will show on that side. So on the head, spark plugs, silencer, fuel injector, silencer path. So anywhere the carbon has deposited, it will remove all of it. So Yamaha recommended it for every 3000 kilometers. We are using it for 10,000 kilometers once. So I will show you the efficiency. It provides rapid cleaning performance through the entire fuel okay, and PA proactive removes the deposit from fuel injector. So this also cleans the fuel injector. So in fuel injectors, carburetor, idler, blends, throttle bodies, manifold, everything. It increases fuel economy, restore power and reduce exhaust emissions. So this is so this will be suitable for all your Yamaha products, Yamaha bikes. So under cc 100 to 200, above than that also. So you have a fuel injection or carburetor, you can use it on both. So you have to only use it on petrol vehicles, not on diesel anything. So you can use it on another vehicles, another brand vehicles also. So Bajaj, KTM, Honda, Hero, any vehicle you can use it. So this is the product. This is a Yamaha genuine product. You can see I actually broke a little bit. You can actually see it. So be a carbon cleaner. So there are many processes to clean the carbon in your bikes, guys. For the first 20,000 kilometers, when you brought the bike, the carbon cleaning not that much needed. But after 20 to 40,000 kilometers, you will need to clean the carbon inside your bike to get the full response of your throttle and the silencer sound, everything else. So everything else depends on the carbon deposit on your silencer and engine head spark plug. When all of your carbon inside your engine and silencer is cleaned, the engine will be refined again and the sound will be definitely changed, and the mileage will be gradually increase. So this is the main reason to clean the carbon inside your bike and fuel injector. So there are fuel injection cleaners, but this is a very cheaper way to clean your carbon inside your bike. So when you pour the oil, you have to maintain at least 2 liters of petrol. So I have poured, actually I have a half liter on the tank. The sounds comes from there. So actually I have a half liter petrol on tank and I have brought 150 rupees of petrol. So total 2 to 2.2 liters of petrol. So the average petrol limit is 2 liters only. Yamaha recommends only 2 liters of petrol while puring the Yamaha loop. This is the morning time, so I will start the bike and run it idle for 2 minutes and then pure the PA carbon cleaner. Let's start the bike. You can see the silencer sound. I will show the silencer sound. So after 2 minutes I will pure. So this has been run for more than 2 minutes. So the petrol point shows at 2 points, but inside the petrol tank we have fuel for only 2.2 liters. So let me turn off the bike. There's a little bit of only petrol inside. I don't know, you can see it. So you have Halinki type of plastic knob. So this is the inside of the bike. Now actually it looks like petrol. So smells very differently. See. So let us pure it. So that's it. So don't raise your bike too much to the RPM limit. So gradually ride your bike. So gradually move the bike left to right to mix all through the petrol. So it will get very much mixed and you will get the results good. So I have been thinking for more than 2 months to use the oil, but this is the right time to use it. So I am making a video of it. So this will be posted on my Turbo Wheels YouTube channel and Instagram ID. Do follow and subscribe on it. So this is our bike. So we have to change the tire. Little bit OC. Yes, it has been run for more than too much kilometers. Actually don't know how much it run. So this is our bike, guys. So it will eventually clean all the petrol flowing point from your engine. So this is our dog. So it will eventually clean all the parts that flow through petrol. So the fuel tank, fuel injector, if you have carburetor model, you have the carburetor, throttle body, the parts right here. So the engine valve, two valves. This is a two-valve engine. So inlet valve on outlet valve, piston, the spark plug, and the outflow silencer of full parts will be cleaned. So this is the use of the PA carbon cleaner, and we have brought on Yamaha. So there are many brands, guys. I have seen two, three brands. So this is the Yamaha brand. So and the Yamaha bike. So I have brought the Yamaha brand only. So you can buy any other brands as your wish. So let me ride the bike and update it. So raise your RPM a little bit. So if you are have 10,000 RPM limit, raise it to 7 to 8. That is enough. So not too much. So a little bit is enough for the liquid to flow all through it with a high pressure. It will eventually clean all the carbon. So this is the main reason to ride your vehicle on minimum RPM. So you have seen 56,500 and 945 kilometers have been run. So if your average mileage is 30 kilometers, ride for only 45 kilometers because you have fuel injection bike. So you have to maintain at least half liter of the fuel on your bike. So that's why I am saying that if your mileage is around 30, for 2 liters you have 60 kilometers of mileage. So 60 kilometers of mileage. After 45 kilometers, you have balance half liter on your tank. So this will be very good for your fuel injection bikes. So carry an 1 liter petrol on your backpack or buy it on water bottle and carry it on your backpack for your safety. So after running for 45 kilometers, pour the petrol on your bike. Don't run it on empty fuel. It will damage the fuel injection. So if you have fuel injection bike, so for the normal bikes, it is not required for you to maintain the petrol. So you can always carry a 1 liter water can on your backpack and pour it when you have emptied your fuel. So this will be enough your carburetor model. So fuel injection, don't try your bike. This is not recommended. Raise the RPM for around 5,000 to 7,000 RPM. This will be the fuel will be very much used on that. So don't ride for more than 8,000 kilometers if you are 10,000 kilometers RPM limit. So give a balance of 2,000 kilometers RPM limit. So you can ride it for more than 5,000 to 7,500. So there is the average level of your bike. So this is average RPM for this bike. So let us start the bike and move on. It has been ridden for more than 50 kilometers, 55 to 60 kilometers I think. So my average bike mileage is for 40 kilometers per liter for the rash driving, etc. So our average 40 to 45, but I take only 40 kilometers. So for the 40 kilometers I have ridden the bike to 1.5%. So the average is 55 to 60 kilometers. So I have ride it for more than 55 kilometers, 55 plus. So you can see my bike. So I have ridden for only to 5000 to 7000 rpm and average between that. So let's see the exhaust note of it. You have seen the exhaust note of our bike. Average mileage of this bike has been I think increased for a little bit, not too much, because I have brought this bike on second hand. First owner used only premium petrol, so I have used the normal petrol. So that's why I'm using the Yamaha's carbon cleaning liquid. I used 10,000 kilometers. You can use the oil. I'll give the link in the description, purchase link on the description. You can check it, and if you want, you can buy it and use it on your vehicle, and let me know in the comments if you have used it, and how is your experience. Let me know in the comments. For more automotive content, follow my channel. Bye.